Hi everyone. In this video I will explain you how to show the multiple slicer selection in the card. So I have two slicer. First one is for ship country and second one is ship city. I have already created the measure which one is used for that. Just show you. In this I have created three variable where one store the value for selected ship country and second variable is store the value for ship city. And I have also used a unicat 10. Unicat 10 is used for the line breaking in the visual, and we have concat the all of the a, c and b. Just I will demonstrate how this work. So first one is create a austria. Here are two option and this one selected. So country Austrian city is this. Thank you.